Hi, myself Shreyukta. Welcome you to my channel, Alokik the Learning Space. In this competitive world, it is very important to upgrade our knowledge and sharpen our skill to beat this competition. Specializing in a particular skill will definitely open the way of your career. Here I come up with the topic of Microsoft Excel, which will help you to fit in the job profile of back office executive, MIS executive, MIS coordinator, MIS manager, data analyst, and so on. Let's begin with the basic introduction of Microsoft Excel. What is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel, also called as MS Excel, is a software application which is mostly used by millions of people around the world. Files which we create are technically known as workbook and save in extension as XLSX. MS Excel can be used to enter all sort of data. We can generate the desired report or any presentable document by performing financial, mathematical or statistical calculations. Before proceeding further, I just want you to go through the Excel sheet. It's a title bar, ribbon, tabs and main function bar, cell address, rows, columns, active sales, worksheet, status bar, scroll bar, page view, zoom bar. So now we will learn how to create new file in MS Excel. Here we start our work. Start Excel, select blank workbook. This is an Excel sheet. Now we will feed the data. Okay, this is product, quantity. My products are pen, pencil, chalk, and here is the quantity 10, 20. I am giving you the example of it. Okay, so I just want to tell you one thing, that just like pen, pencil and chalk, you can feed your data till last row 104856 is the total of row. Okay, and here you can, just like product and quantity, you can add on your columns till XFD. You must be thinking that without using a scroller bar, how I'm doing this. So what I'm doing, here is my cursor. I'm using control down arrow key. To again come back, control up arrow key. Okay, so this is about row. And for column, control right arrow key. To again come back, control left arrow key. So without using scroller bar, you can do this with the help of some keys. Okay, so now we come to the point. We are going to save this file. File, save, select the destination. I am saving on the desktop. Enter your new worksheet name, and save it. Okay, you can see my new worksheet here. Okay, this is how you can create your new file. If you like my video, you can give your feedback in comment box. To learn more about Microsoft Excel, subscribe my channel, Alokik the Learning Space. Thank you.